Now, it's important to remember that heart failure relates to atherosclerosis in the majority of cases who present to the cardiologist with heart failure. No surprise. Remember, we talked about the last time I spoke to you about the typical patient. That's the commonest patient that comes to the cardiologist, the patient with atherosclerotic heart disease. When that disease is advanced, particularly if the patient has had previous myocardial infarcts or heart attacks, the ventricular function is compromised and the patient shows up with heart failure. So what are the risk factors for heart failure? They're the risk factors for atherosclerotic heart disease. They're hypercholesterolemia, hypertension, cigarette smoking, diabetes, all the things we talked about before that can lead to atherosclerosis. And you can see that the commonest ones, are problems leading to heart failure is ischemic heart disease, but there's a number of other factors that are involved as well. But ischemic heart disease, the number one cause of death in the world, number one cause of heart failure. There are a number of rarer causes of heart failure. I'm not going to go into this in any detail, but for example, in the United States, one of the commonest causes of cardiomyopathy is excessive alcohol intake. Alcohol is a poison for the myocardium. Taken in small amounts, it's good, increases the HDL level, can be very pleasant in a social setting, but excessive alcohol can lead to cardiomyopathy and, of course, a lot of other problems, liver failure from cirrhosis, et cetera, et cetera. There are other things that can cause heart failure. We've talked about this before, cardiomyopathy from a chronic viral infection. Certain drugs can do it. One of the favorite drugs for chemotherapy for breast cancer also damages the heart, and other drugs can do the same thing. And of course, arrhythmias with long-standing fast heart rate that's uncontrolled can also lead to cardiac fatigue. These things are much rarer. Remember, ischemic heart disease is number one public enemy.
You just completed your first video of the world's best medical exam preparation. Lecturio brings the knowledge of worldwide leading medical experts and teaching award winners to your PC, tablet, or smartphone. Prepare yourself and check your progress with thousands of quiz questions, customized to USMLE standards. And the very best, you can get in touch with our medical experts personally. Visit Lecturio.com now and continue with the most inspiring medical education around the globe, anytime, anywhere.